Yeah, for the rest of the evening, we'll have some scattered showers. Even a few isolated thunderstorms will be possible, especially out here towards the far western suburbs. There is a small chance that one or two of these thunderstorms out west could spit out some small hail and some gusty winds. And then tomorrow, we'll get rid of the rain by 8 a.m. We'll start to see a slow clearing of sky. It's a windy day at 60, but the big story is the big warm-up we're expecting this weekend, with 70 on Saturday, near 80 degrees on Sunday, and parts of the southwest suburbs look to make it around 80 or if not 81 degrees on Sunday. Also want to give you a heads up, a first alert with a storm threat in the forecast as we head into early next week. Monday looks dry. Tuesday is a day to watch. Could have a couple of rounds of thunderstorms, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and there are some early indications that the thunderstorms we do get on Tuesday could be on the stronger side, so we'll be watching that. We are sandwiched in between two weather systems, one pulling away from us, allowing for this light, patchy, annoying stuff that's on top of us, and then a new one coming in out of Iowa that's allowing for a few lightning flashes out here towards the west of us and also into eastern Iowa. And it's a few of those little thunderstorms that could sneak into our western counties here a little bit later on. So some light rain and sprinkles in northwest Indiana. Other than a sprinkle here or there, we're mainly dry Chicago, and most of the rain with that next system is out towards the west of us that will build in as the evening goes on. A little bit of a lake influence, so notice the cooler temperatures lakeside with 54 Lincoln Park, 54 at Uptown, but near 60 right now. Bolingbrook, Yorkville right now at 60 degrees. We're also looking at temperatures in the low 60s in Ottawa and also in Joliet at 61, but in the 40s right now for the most part in northwest Indiana. So as we get towards mid-evening, watch as that little band of some showers and isolated thunderstorms moves in, mainly out here towards the western suburbs. That's 9 o'clock, and then scattered showers continue in the overnight. We don't think anything all that heavy or really that persistent. It'll be kind of coming in waves. That's 6 a.m., so if you're up early tomorrow, some rain on the radar, but we think by 8 o'clock we're done with the rain. We have some clouds in the morning, but even the clouds start to disappear as we head into the afternoon, and there'll be some spots approaching 60 degrees as we head towards tomorrow. Big story tomorrow, though, is going to be the wind. It's going to be gusting out of the northwest as high as 40 miles per hour. 70 on Saturday and sunshine, mostly sunny, and 79 on Sunday. It'll be so warm that we'll have just enough instability, just enough buoyancy to the atmosphere that an isolated thunderstorm is possible. But the chance for a storm on Sunday, it's small at this point, at 20%. How about 80, though? Kankakee, 81 in Joliet, 80 Morris in Ottawa for Sunday afternoon. Cooler lakeside with temperatures in the low 70s. But overall, really nice weekend ahead. Here's a check of the extended forecast. Beyond that fantastic weekend, those 70s continue into Monday. And again, Tuesday, a day that we want to watch. We're going to continue to watch the data roll in tonight and again for tomorrow. But we may have to issue a weather alert for those Tuesday storms that could be on the feisty side. Low 70s on Wednesday, and we'll have a chance for some scattered showers and around 70 degrees a week from today. That is a spring-like forecast
Sure
if
is.
I've ever seen one. Springtime storms and finally some spring-like warm air.
Looking forward to the weekend.
Consistent 70s.
It looks that way, yeah.
Yeah, all right, thanks, Al.
You got it.